Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to tag people on Instagram. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. To tag a person, you have to add a post. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select a photo or video from your gallery. I'll just select this one. Then tap next on top right corner. You can also edit your image. Then tap next on top right corner. And here you'll see the option to tag people. Tap on that. Now tap on the image and search for a user by their name or username at the top of the screen. And you can tag anyone who is on Instagram. And tap on the tick icon at the top right corner when you are done. And then tap share on top right corner. And that's how you can tag people on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.